Finally, some clouds. Alright, final participant info. Coming down to the wire, only a few days away. Super excited. Final run completed. Alright, here we are, off to get our bib. Had to find parking, but I think we're good. Just gonna walk down to the Big 5 store, so we're heading over. Got my bib. We're officially in, and so now just to relax, prep my stuff for tomorrow, and just get ready and have some fun. Let's head to that finish line. Alright friends, there you have it. Week 9 and the final week of training is completed. To do a quick recap, our weekday runs, we had two 2.5 mile runs and one 1 mile coffee table run. And to complete this whole training, I did have a 2 mile shakeout run, which felt pretty great and feeling pretty good. And now it's off to race day. Overall, this training has been pretty good. I did have a bit of difficulties here and there, like waking up early, as well as some knee aches during the process, but of course, you know, keeping watching of my health at the same time. We did have weather issues regarding the heat, which definitely, you know, did hinder a little bit in terms of trying to get the proper pacing and whatnot, but I didn't mind as long as I was able to do my training at the same time. But we are gonna have some pretty good weather, and I'm looking forward to crossing that finish line along with thousands of others who will be there too. And with that, we will end our update here. Thank you so much for joining me on my progress every single week. I really do appreciate all you coming back and just checking up on me. Well, there you have it. Training is completed, and this final update as well. I will give you a little sneak peek at the start line. Do come back next week, as I will have a full race day video for you, so you do not want to miss out on that. And all my other adventures as well. So if you do like this video and want to see more just like it and my other adventures, do give this one a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely will have more fun stuff to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.